Here, actually, Bayesian reasoning provides a probabilistic approach to inference, and it is based on the assumptions that the quantities of interest are governed by the probability distribution, and that optimal decisions can be made by reasoning about these probabilities together with the observed data. And it is important to machine learning because it provides a quantitative approach to weighing the evidence supporting alternative hypotheses. And Bayesian reasoning provides the basis for learning algorithms that directly manipulate the probabilities as well as a framework for analyzing the operation of other algorithms that do not explicitly manipulate the probabilities. I hope the meaning of Bayesian reasoning or Bayesian learning is clear. So basically, this Bayesian learning uh, is applied or it can be used in learning algorithms to manipulate the probabilities as well as the framework for analyzing the operation of other algorithms. That is what the main aim of Bayesian learning. So with this, let us have some introduction about Bayesian learning. So basically, the Bayesian learning methods are relevant to our study of machine learning for two different reasons. Here I have mentioned these two different reasons why the Bayesian learning methods are relevant to study in machine learning because of these two reasons. The first reason is that Bayesian learning algorithms that calculate the explicit probabilities for hypotheses such as Naive Bayes classifier, which are among the most practical approaches to certain types of the learning algorithms or learning problems. For example, mm, here one of the researcher, that is a Michi. So he provide a detailed study comparing the Naive-Bayes classifier to other learning algorithms, including the decision tree and the neural network algorithms. And these researchers have shown that the Naive-Bayes classifier is competitive with these other learning algorithms in many cases, and that in some cases it outperforms that the other methods. Of course, in this chapter we will describe the Naive-Bayes classifier and provide a detailed example to use it. So, in particular, we discuss the applications to the problem of learning to classify the text documents such as electronic news articles. And for such learning tasks, the Naive-Bayes classifier is among the most effective algorithms known. So, this is with respect to the first reason, that is why Navy, that is Bayesian learning methods are relevant to study in machine learning. The second reason is that the Bayesian methods are important to a study of machine learning is that they provide a useful perspective for understanding many learning algorithms that do not explicitly manipulate the probabilities. For example, so in this chapter, as we analyze the algorithms such as the Findes and candidate elimination algorithm, which were discussed in the previous chapters, so here we analyze the algorithms such as the Findes and candidate elimination algorithm to determine the conditions under which they output the most probable hypothesis given the training data. So we also use the Bayesian analysis to justify a key design choice in the neural network learning algorithms. So choosing to minimize the sum of squared errors when searching the space of possible neural networks, and we also derive an alternative error function, then cross entropy, which is more appropriate than the sum of squared errors when learning the target functions that will predict the probabilities. So we use a Bayesian perspective to analyze the inductive bias of the decision tree learning algorithms that favor the short decision tree and examine the closely related the minimum description length principle. Here a basic Familiarity with the Bayesian methods is important to understand and categorizing the operation of many algorithms in machine learning. So, because of this reason also, the Bayesian learning methods are more relevant to study in machine learning. I hope these two reasons are clear why Bayesian learning methods are relevant to study in machine learning. Very simple. The first reason is Bayesian learning algorithms that calculate the explicit probabilities for hypotheses, such as the Naive-Bayes classifiers, that are among the most practical approaches to certain types of learning problems. The second reason is that they provide a useful perspective for understanding many learning algorithms that do not explicitly manipulate the probabilities. So these are what the strong reasons to justify why uh, Bayesian learning methods are more relevant to study in machine learning. The next comes the features of Bayesian learning methods. So features include the first one, each observed training example can incrementally decrease or increase the estimated probability that a hypothesis is correct. So this provides a more flexible approach to learning than the algorithm that completely eliminate a hypothesis if it is found to be inconsistent with any single example. The second feature is that the prior knowledge that can be combined with the observed data to determine the final probability of a hypothesis. So in Bayesian learning, the prior knowledge is provided by asserting a prior probability for each candidate hypothesis and a probability distribution over the observed data for each possible hypothesis. The third feature is that Bayesian methods can accommodate the hypotheses that make probabilistic predictions. For example, if you take the hypothesis such as the pneumonia patient, so which has a 93% chance of complete recovery. So Bayesian methods can accommodate the hypothesis which will make the probabilistic predictions. The next feature is that new instances can be classified by combining the predictions of multiple hypotheses weighted by their probabilities. The last feature is that even in cases where the Bayesian methods provide the computationally intractable, so they can provide a standard of optimal decision making against which the other practical methods can be measured. So these are what some of the important features of Bayesian learning methods. Here, one practical difficulty in applying the Bayesian method is that they typically require the initial knowledge of many probabilities. So when these probabilities are not known in advance, then they are often estimated based on the background knowledge, then previously available data, and the assumptions about the form of underlying distributions. So that is what one practical difficulty here. And the second practical difficulty in applying the Bayesian method is that the significant computational cost required to determine the Bayes optimal hypothesis is in the general case. So cost factor is also found to be one of the difficulty here in applying the Bayesian methods. And in certain specialized situations, so this computational cost can be significantly reduced. So these are what some of the practical difficulties in applying the Bayesian method. So is it clear what are the practical difficulties? So one practical difficulty in applying the Bayesian method is that they typically require the initial knowledge of many probabilities. And when these probabilities are not known in advance, then they are often estimated based on the background knowledge, then previously available data, and the assumptions about the form of underlying distributions. So this is one practical difficulty in applying the Bayesian method. And the second practical difficulty is that the significant computational cost required to determine the Bayes optimal hypothesis in the general case. So cost factor is also considered as one of the difficulty here. And in certain specialized situations, this computational cost can be significantly reduced. So these are the two practical difficulty in applying the Bayesian methods. So this is what today discussion, and in the next class that I am going to discuss the Bayes theorem. So Bayes theorem part is very important. So that Bayes theorem I will take up in the next class. Thank you.